Hi, Reading Detectives. This week, you got to read this book with a partner. You read some of it by yourself. And today, you're going to read one more part of the book by yourself. Today, we're going to see if you truly are a reading detective. Can you find the key details to help you figure out whose hands these are? I'm going to read one more page to you, and you actually get your own copy of this page. You should have the copy of this page right now. If you don't, go grab it very quickly and pause the video. Welcome back. Okay, Reading Detectives, I am going to read one more page to you, and you are going to listen carefully to the key details and try to guess whose hands these are for the main topic. Here we go. Come on in. These hands wave sweetly. Caked in chalk, these hands write neatly. These hands care for kids and creatures. These hands belong to helpful. Whose hands do you think these belong to? On your paper, I want you to circle some clues for the key details. And then on the back of your paper, you're going to draw a picture of whose hands you think these are. If you're not sure, listen as I read it to you one more time. Come on in. These hands wave sweetly. Caked in chalk, these hands write neatly. These hands care for kids and creatures. These hands belong to helpful. Okay, go ahead and flip your paper over to the back, and you're going to draw which community helper these hands belong to. Have fun, stallions!